Now under View Options, you'll get this menu here, the Drawing Options. Basically what this does is it affects the objects that are being imported under File Import Objects. It doesn't affect things that are brought in through the library. For example, right now it has Create a Mask checked. What Create a Mask means is going to drop out the pixel that's in the upper left hand corners. In the case we're going to see here, it's a purple background. That pixel in the upper left hand corner is purple, so it'll drop out purple. So let's click OK and go here to Import Object, and we're going to bring in that tree that's on a purple background. You'll notice there is no purple background. It's transparent because the purple is being dropped out because it's the mask. So let's change that option now by turning it off, taking the check mark out of there, and importing the same tree. And as you can see, now you're able to see the purple in the background. It's not being dropped out. Now the other option is the blend edge width of areas and objects. Because this tree is an object, I'm going to change this to 5 to give you an example. It was set at 1, so when I imported the first tree here, it has a 1 pixel blend around the edges. I'm also going to create a mask so that you can see the difference here. So I'm going to import the exact same tree, and now you'll notice that the tree looks different because it's blended too much. Some of these branches are actually disappearing because I have it set to 5, and some things that were little holes in the tree are now big holes because it's blending the edges 5 pixels out. Now if you're trying to import your logo to place it on an image, you'll notice that when you go to File, Import Object, and if your logo is a JPEG file especially, we're going to load up this JPEG file. You see that it looks terrible. What it's doing is it's dropping out the white pixel that's in the upper left hand corner, but because it's a JPEG, you see all the artifacts around this logo. So if that happens to you, and it probably will, go here to Options, make sure you turn Mask off, and then import your logo. And as you can see, it looks much better this way.